Welcome to Network Key. Troubleshooting Wi-Fi for Ring devices. Exploring troubleshooting for Wi-Fi issues with Ring devices, essential smart home components, for enhanced convenience and peace of mind. Tips for improving Wi-Fi connection. Improving the Wi-Fi connection is the first step towards resolving issues with Ring devices. Consider implementing the following tips. Repositioning the Wi-Fi router to a central location within your home to enhance signal coverage. Upgrading to a high-performance router capable of supporting multiple connected devices with minimal signal degradation. Configuring the Wi-Fi settings on the router to optimize performance for smart home devices like Ring products. Step-by-step troubleshooting guidance. Follow step-by-step troubleshooting guidelines to fix common Wi-Fi issues with Ring devices. Checking Wi-Fi connectivity. Verify the Wi-Fi connectivity of your Ring device through the Ring app and ensure it's connected to the correct network. Assessing internet speed. Use speed testing tools to determine the speed and stability of your internet connection, which could affect the performance of Ring devices. Interference identification. Identify potential sources of signal interference, such as microwave ovens, cordless phones, or neighboring networks, and take steps to mitigate their impact. Device-specific solutions. Different Ring devices may require specific troubleshooting steps tailored to their functionalities. Ring doorbells. Repositioning the doorbell to improve Wi-Fi reception. Adjusting the device's Wi-Fi settings. Open the Ring app. Tap Menu. Tap Devices, then select your device. Tap Device Health. Scroll down to Wi-Fi status. If offline, tap Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Ring security cameras. Checking for obstacles that may obstruct the Wi-Fi signal or installing a Wi-Fi extender near the camera's location. Thank you for watching.